Hey guys, this is Savvy Professor, and in today's video, I'm going to clear up a very common question. Can you check who viewed your WhatsApp profile picture? Let's get straight to the truth. On WhatsApp, there is no official feature that shows who viewed your profile photo. WhatsApp only provides visibility for status views, not profile pictures. That means, even if someone opens your profile photo multiple times, WhatsApp does not notify you or record that activity. You might see many apps in the Play Store claiming to show who viewed my WhatsApp profile, but here's the reality: these apps do not work as advertised. WhatsApp's privacy system blocks this type of data completely. Any third party app making this claim is guessing, showing random contacts, or simply trying to collect your data. For privacy and security reasons, using these apps is strongly discouraged. If you're concerned about privacy instead, WhatsApp does give you control. You can limit who sees your profile picture by going to Settings, then Privacy, then Profile Photo, and choosing between Everyone, My Contacts, or Nobody. That's the only real and safe way to manage profile visibility. So, in short, there's no real way to see who viewed your WhatsApp profile picture, but there is a safe way to control who can see it.